Oh, it just turned off right there. Alright. I'm trying to save this thing's motor. I just tried doing it with a stick. You need your motor replaced, Comfortmaker. Beautiful Comfortmaker that I caught defrosting 2 weeks ago. This is not good. I wish I could tell your date. I don't know why I'm so loyal to this thing. I am weird. I'm a little bit of a weirdo with this shit. Oh my gosh, you iced over. I just tried getting it. Let's see if I can get it more with more let's see if I can get a different stick. I almost got this thing going. I'm just gonna smoothen the stick out so I don't create any problems. Hate this. We're not in defrost right now. This is the motor. It's hard to tell if it's in defrost or not, but when I smell inside and get up close in there, I can easily tell when it's in defrost versus when it's not. Come on, stick. I need you to... Alright, I'm gonna just break you off. There you go. Now you're easier. I want people to stay warm. Oh wait, are we? You know what, the motor died, so whatever. At least I caught you defrosting while on your last legs. You need to be serviced. That's all you need, your motor. It's your motor that needs to be replaced. You have a very bad motor. Not a bad capacitor, a bad motor. You can tell it's rusted. But yeah, anyways, thank you for watching. This Comfortmaker over here, however, is very iced over. There's no date on it. But yeah. But anyways, thank you for watching and over and out. This is a very short video. Alright, here we have a very iced over Comfortmaker running. Like really in the airflow. Crazy. I can't make that out, but that's like a 1980s. Running a Bravo. But it's so cold around it. Yeah, anyways. That's just all I found. There's only one other Comfortmaker in the area. So yeah, anyways, thank you for watching and over.